Yeah. One Pratchum. The family of the lady Cramp only knew Madame for.
Hello, lovely people. Welcome to Trading in Shows on Xposed DH. And Estina is your beautiful host for today. A video has been circulating on social media. Shows that a guy has undergone a surgery just because of an iPhone 14 for his girlfriend. So I want to ask, will you go for kidney surgery because of iPhone 14? Today I have with me the best friend of the guy. So let's go for a short commercial break, and when I'm back, we'll take in the matter.
Oniadofo de ne wo haw de ne wo adwendwen de ne wo kodan na edan na wasiewie na wo penchensen papa de aboso anadan a wutimo na senso to a enwunu enunti ama wonna akwakoye bisi basa ene enne me de asempa enam natural things ebie wo mo ensem de amasan krofo ni nyina se tutumi kana bra wo mo akache na wo mo ememe so wo haw no ano emfa ema enunti fa wo mo number e wo screen no eso na ene wo mo endi eye kaso wonsa se wo madwuma so aninti no adansifo agye womo atum ne true things ana womo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu de biara eda.
Welcome back from that short commercial break. I want to remind you that this show is proudly sponsored by Next Roofing, the best roofing company in Ghana. Na me travel Minia Jamaica. Jamaica, me mawakwa. Hey, enti ebani say na wadamfo yakoto ni kidney e dia akwajiwe iPhone 14.
Where the Mamifa in Chiama school ashefo ni etifo say Matumunsa afremi na mama me platform na oni ma bigin komo afadia Madam Fui oye no on say share system ni musisi a lot of the youth are doing very nasty things which is very bad. You do or does all kinds of things to get what you want.
What they want say.
If say Madam Fui akwakoto ni kidney dia akwaje iPhone 14 edi kwakwache ni girlfriend. How can a young guy, you don't know what will happen to you the next day or tomorrow in the future? What do your bet your banus say one wale no anaso akwo na busuafo.
I think that means say oban kron ware ni ye.
Onwale ni ye.
Oba oni ni twempa na wa
kidney. Omo one pratchum. The family of the lady Cramp no knew Madam for.
Oh wow.
Ena dia Madam for no so why no. Ni family so omo ni agi say yen na ye be na ye say. But we try to prevent him.
To prevent him not to bring the video online and now.
No. So beton ni kidney dia kwaje iPhone dia man again because of the way although our man get anything. And now one say he's a kind of a guy and he lives like flashy things.
Okay, and the time I okakoto ni kidney or catch him.
Okay, catch say a good idea. But we need time or make it a move now or go hospital.
Oh.
We were all against him. So be say again so be turn the kidney dia kwaje iPhone. And they were who got on kidney dia koma oba GBB dia mo oba later on oba ni ja onya iPhone we no jawa e dey na obey because later on there will be another thing she will demand from you. Which part of your body or body part are dia mama? Because women or ladies are very demanding of things from the guys of today because of the life we live in. We are all against it, honestly. But we don't know the time we went and sold his kidney for iPhone 14, which is very bad of him. Although no, we think of his our life and but we need the better no echina. Say, o party in fan beton dia kunya for their more ben.
Okay, me person me be so say. Enti enebre mu. Did true love exist?
Oh, to be honest, it is only 1%. I will say true love exists.
1%.
1%. The rest are material things. Even though no be for bano, no be gua, no be sheno. Jabeya many dia she won't appreciate it because at the end, she will demand for something else. If you are not able to afford it or provide for her, the lady will cheat on you. So being able to get iPhone 14 for her today, the next day or tomorrow, what else? Or what next? Madam Fono, why a very foolish thing? Honestly saying or speaking.
So I want to know, is it because of true love? Enna, okoye, the kidney, sell, or the top iPhone 14, ama oba.
Madam Fono, officer is in good relationship and true love with the lady. Or yet you bet me I be na oba appreciate it. But Emma appreciate it because we be no so Emma so. Oh yes, sir, they are true about say they are one true love man. You are mistaken. A profo sit down at the man or get friends. Now obansa na shoemaker and I say orange seller or coconut seller trip now. Bamboo dey chop. Babu dey work jebe no. Babu dey jebe no.
Babu dey work.
Oh.
Hey.
And you be na madam for here no. Bet me catch you say lady no. Only another guy
Girl now, Bema now koyi ni kidney.
Koyi ni kidney.
iPhone 14 man no. Ono so our boy.
Yeah, only Bema for guy for edit and guy because of guy no only no na madam for ni. The guy is fucking low, badly loaded. Or a fraud boy. Or was casting madam for no. But madam for no person obey together. But the catching madam for say no. We should let the girl go. But he said, we don't know the actual what the lady has done to our friend. You understand? And in the wire, it's what got talking. And you got the iPhone. iPhone sooner every year they upgrade the iPhone or almost year you pay a co app. 13 about what of 15 or iPhone 14 Pro about over here then our beton. And what is going on or what is happening in the system of late is not my friend alone. A lot of guys outside there are doing things which it is not fair. You understand?
And they say, me person me bisa say.
Yeah, me about.
Say, we iPhone almost upgrading. Na e bia 15 ba. Kidney no ba ko na aka no. Obesa ye no akoto.
Me about
bia. I dey iPhone.
Bia na e say dey here ni kidney ba ko na aka no. Bia na wa bia o de ni be man e ko akwaji. iPhone 15 ni be man na edusu na ni get na tiase am say me no be me be wale na be ye mi wadwuma bia na o de ni sa na be. Excuse me to say that. Oh, and they are done for you. Why you don't know why Sadina a possible system. A lot of young men or young ladies, you may be a see a madam for the number out and I will win. But if you cost what, me know you win anything, means you may be cost. What's in the blame, Yama? If you don't make us schedule or this schedule, your member for this schedule.
What do you buy man for this schedule?
Yeah. I didn't know about hey. You know street, you know so. We know what's going on the street.
Really?
Yeah.
So baby tinye yi ni be ma say or the kwa for this schedule.
So be kunu mame e dia kwa this schedule. So betumi ato car, Range Rover, Benzo, say friend Benz. C300 nya dia boy see tubo to do ha. Mani, and sister, bring me between amount. Sika bebre saa kopinta kwa obi. No. Ebinom di niama kata niama so. E na omo ye niama ekrofo ewu. Na sika ni bre na se aba the youth no yafa. Everybody is in haste to become a rich person, but nyame ambo nipa saa. In nkɔfo ɔde ne nua ɔkɔ ne nua ɛnyɛ sika, but sika na lasting.
It dem pa na ebra my dream ma. Omutumi yes sir.
Pressure okrom. Pressure, ladies, now too much you to know the spirit, you know.
Pressure says
Hey, the street competition was street in the my sister. I don't know who be around. You know the season. The pressure will dey the street, or not the season. Don't go. Maybe you know they come out. The ladies they give women pressure, and at the same time, real guys, you know, they give each other pressure, and the ladies too they give each other pressure. Pressure of promo. Competition of promo. Overtaking is allowed. So each and every day, you know, we the youth, you know, some they do overtaking, they take others. Before any amount, Madam from the son of the Kidneγ na for this, that they are iPhone 4. At the man girlfriend. Now they were kum Ninia. And yes, cannot the auto range or them run so.
And to Jamaica, pressure na koso workroom. Then na your bay ya the best ya.
About pressure no community. The dear you are the day able to be a Siamo. I didn't see Namicasa. A idea at the hot at that.
At the hostess.
At the house, you see, no, everybody is fighting to get what he or she wants in life to impress someone.
He or she.
Yeah, I didn't see Namicasa. See, I know. Obi fast anyway for me girl na mo baby me ni bike me moto me car but one time na me go akobobo me girlfriend get am sha obi na park BMW our park me ni bi me sha me girlfriend na in front way and then the kasa no you keep BMW wa jimmy girlfriend me same
and because of always because of the same scaponi jimu girls no.
Hey,
what do they? Hey,
second, ejuma so ni krom. Se ejuma wo krom na wo ye ejuma na monthly time so ana say unya ska kakra monthly a. Se o girlfriend and say wife e bisa say o pebibi a obeto amam and say o betuma surprise ni we a and on phone dimadi and so all request so buy me this go now the amount. But ejuma ni wo sika so ni ku
ejuma na eni ho no de na ye be ya ye de be sisa nyama ne nyela
se aban be ma ejuma aba krom na ejuma be ba na youth na aba no so no ye ni ejuma ya because sanka madam fi o ye ejuma na ka monthly de o nya sika na kon ton ni Kİdneγ ka so o koje iPhone 4 time na girlfriend.
It is a sin. A juma any honente.
Yeah, a juma ni ku, a juma ni system my de honestly.
With the shekam running that can be picture a man penny now, or bet you.
And when the more kakra catch on man penny and never for being a cheap baba, Yanni a whole NPP for say, almost your best, or almost more than that because system in my team. Ghana mu echuki shinko so Peter 5 cedi na 10 cedi pa okidia o me etino omon ma ejuma mbra oman ni ti se piota ye 50 pesos etino say eda woni 1 cedi na che se wo 50 pesos so ba ko pesa check water na bani edi en se mbra na sa oman pani yesre mo a Mumanyama entoyi or man Ghana, money moiety. Maybe the war money my dino more affect them. By yent memphone, the aye femono near Brian Emuno. Sakamu were in position and Cambo say yes, Debbie I am my men no near you to near 30 and we say a brero and pap, ye bre, yes, Remo. Me mamon cassi, baby am one Masuma Jum. Na Yamibu Obibiala Atemu. Many pada seni biara nti yesre ade biara be bia no so aketua da hotwe moma adwuma embra ɔman no mu ɛna deɛ ɛtɔ so youth no yɛpere too much wiase yɛmfa biribiara nkɔ we came empty and we will go empty ewiase biribi papa bi ani asase so ebetumi aboa mene o enti mo ma yɛn gyae flashy lifestyle living no na boa yɛn hard working ne yɛn pesika ɛmaa no ɔmo fa nkodu baabi ɛmaa no so mɛma no ɔmo fa nkodu baabi a mimi sɛ ɔbaa mene no wa mene no be wuroli street ni ade menya sika ɔnyɛ na mɛwale no mɛkɔ akɔfo ɔba ɔyɛ marriage material na ma wale no enti na ɛmaa na yɛn no hwibɔ mu no deɛ yɛntumi ware mu yɛntumi mfa mu kofi ɔba yi bɛrima na ɔno kɔ get to question mu num sane ade no hwɛ ɔbɛ short life ɔnyɛ bɛrima ɔnyɛ husband ɔnyɛ married man the bɛrima papa na ɔne ne live na yɛn gyae competition yɛn boa mini aba kakra mo kan
Mimi abema Jamaica.
Alright,
Maybe that was one of my
So
shows.
no.
Ebusiafo mini mini abema Jamaica na twitwi komo na make I say subscribe na share na akufo so enya di ehwe me am dey do me dey very dey